This is at engineering and computer science. Now, I want to hopefully hopefully these won't be too busy, because they do tend to be. There's a lot. Here's your elevators. Oh, this one's working. Now, this one actually doesn't work often. And I've actually several of my friends have gotten stuck in this elevator. So, oh, here's something rare. Blue traditional. Oh, you can just spam it. You can spam the grocery beep, that's funny. This is actually traditional. All it is just the traditional button cap. It's got Signa4 contacts and lamp, clearly. You can see my yellow shirt in the reflection. Whoa, that didn't sound good. As you can see, petite guys. Interesting. For healthy aging. Huh. This is elevator 2. Now, DU sometimes labels their elevators weird. Like in my building, elevators, the passenger elevators are 2 and 3, and the service is elevator 1. Let's see. Well, that is elevator 1. All right. Well, actually, we can end it here. This is the this is the elevator lobby on the first floor, and this indicator has been broken for ages. And then that one works, but all right, that's it.